Mom, what in the heckaroonie are you doing right now?
I'm going through withdrawal. I haven't opened Doorables in a few weeks. I need my fix.
Should I go get you some?
I still have some of my ones to unbox.
All right, let's go grab them. All right, Mom. Here's our haul.
Oh,
Let's
Lordy.
get the ones.
Wait, no, I want the ones that I got. Where
Oh,
are
let's
they?
go find them. Okay, Mama, which ones you grabbing?
I need my Doorables Academy. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Okay.
Which one you gonna start with, Mom, for this video?
I gotta add to the collection here.
Yes.
Collection.
They're having a seance around the peanut M&Ms.
That's it. Okay.
No nut allergies allowed.
Okay, I'm gonna start now. We'll start with the smaller one.
Okay. All right.
This one only has 5, I think.
All right. Let me go deal with the dog and then we'll get started, okay? So start unwrapping that, okay? You ripping it, Mom?
Yeah, I'm getting better at this.
You are.
I have to admit, these are super fun to unbox.
Mm-hmm. And then
I had a rough day at work, and I'm like, I think I want to come home and open some Doorables because
cute things fix everything, right, Mom?
Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Cute Disney things.
What about puppies? They're cute too.
They do. Yes, it's always good to have a puppy greet you at the door.
Yeah. Okay, so you're thinking this has 5 doors, Mom?
Yes, I am thinking that.
Okay. I wonder if you're right or wrong.
What are you gonna guess?
6.
I'm guessing 6.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm optimistic.
All right, I'm thinking 5.
Okay.
Oh Lord, here's another one. I thought I got them all.
Rip it. Rip it. Fail.
Okay.
Yay.
Yeah, I'm
How many
thinking
is it?
5. Yep.
It's 5. All right.
Okay.
Go ahead, start opening the doors, Mama.
Number. Oh no.
Okay, she's not letting me help again. All right.
Dos. Yeet.
All right, Mom, pick one and start feeling it.
Okay, you know your dad actually asked, how do you know that they're rare or ultra rare? I said, because it's color-coded on the sheet.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, what do you think it is? You already opened it. Did you cheat?
I did not see it, no. I started and said, oh, wait, I need to guess. Okay, flatter head, little tiny, kind of pointy
I want us
ears.
to get Animal or Fozzie.
That
Which
would
ones
be
do you
cool.
want?
I'm wondering if this is Marie
Okay,
from
let's see.
Aristocats, your sister's favorite movie. Let's see. Oh, am I right? Wait, no, maybe not. Two wrong color top. Hold on.
Who is it?
Oh,
We got Panda May! Oh my gosh! I'm excited about this one.
Panda May is, what's green again? Rare?
She's on the other side, Mom. She's in the student
No, I
body.
know. What's green again?
Green is rare.
Rare. Okay, she's cute.
She's so stinking cute. All right,
I
Mom.
was right that it was a cat. Okay.
Which one are you going to do next? She's not a cat. She's a panda. But that was close.
Everybody wants to be a cat. Oh, wait. This one's got...
While she's feeling this, I'm going to eat some cheese balls. What you think it is, Mom?
Hat maybe, and a hat. Oh, I would love it if this was animal.
Could be Genie.
Could be Genie. Did we get Genie?
Uh-uh.
Yeah, it kind of feels top hat-ish. Oh, it could be. Is it Genie?
I don't know. Find out.
No.
It's another Kirby!
Kirby's been very popular, but I know people. I have 2. I shouldn't make Kirby earrings or something.
Yeah.
He's super cute.
And you could have adorable earrings.
I can have adorable earrings.
Adorable earrings.
Yes, adorable.
Adorable earrings.
Okay.
All right, third one. What do you think it is? Third one's reference. This is our third Kermie. At least all these boxes have been different so far, too.
I don't know. It's got a round head. Oh, wait. They all have round heads.
All right, who is it?
Oh, is it Professor Von Duck or what's his name, McDuff? Wait a minute, McDuck? Hold on, let me find him. So he's got to be...
Dr. Ludwig von Dreck.
Oh, Ludwig von... Oh, you got to sing the colors.
Red, yellow, green, red, blue, red, purple, green, yellow, orange, red, yellow, green, red, blue, red, purple, green, yellow, orange, red. Blend them all in what do you get? Cerise, chartreuse, and aqua. Mauve, beige, and ultramarine, and every color in between. Inga has the whole color. Blum color has its harmony. And just like I have said, red, yellow, green, red, blue, red, purple, green, blue, purple, red. Okay, what do you think
In
it
case
is?
any of you were wondering, that was the Spectrum song that she's known since childhood.
I have it memorized.
I know.
It deserves to be memorized.
Okay. Here's something on the head. Here's.
Mom, I was saying that whole thing while chewing on cheese balls.
Oh, I would love it if it's Fozzie Bear, but I don't think it is. Okay, let's just open and see. Wait. Could it be? Could it be?
Is it? Is it?
No.
No?
It's Tigger!
Oh
Oh my gosh, look at Tigger!
I forget if he's a rare or an ultra rare. Flip it over.
Find out. Tigger. He is.
It's a rare!
Rare. Oh my gosh, Tigger playing tennis or badminton or something or pickleball.
He is too stinking cute.
Oh my gosh, super cute.
All right, put him with May because they're both rares.
Rares. These are two.
We have 2 commons, 2 rares. What will our fifth one be?
I think we need an ultra.
Uh-huh.
Oh, this one's really round.
I'm closing these cheese balls. I'm going to keep eating them. They're good. I love cheese balls.
I'm going to be crunching in their video. Okay, big round heads. Oh, we don't have Eeyore yet either. No, the ears stick out. Oh, wait. Did we get Football Stitch?
I don't, yes, I think so. I think I stole him from you after we got him.
Oh, because this could be Football Stitch.
Maybe
Let's
it was Angel.
see. No, we got Angel. We got Angel. Let's see.
Who is it? It's Football Stitch based on the look on her face.
I don't think you got this one.
Oh, look at how cute he is. He is precious. What is he, Mom? Is he a... he's a rare.
He's a rare too.
All right.
You love your Stitch.
Yep. All right, put him with the other rares.
Ah!
Oh, no, I have cheesy hands. Here. I don't want to get cheese on him.
Boop. Wait.
Yep. All right.
Is he gonna stand? There we go.
Yes. All right. So just to recap, we got 2 commons and 3 rares. The 2 commons are Kermie and Dr. Ludwig von Drake. Our 3 rares are Stitch, Tigger, and Panda May.
That was a good set.
Yeah. We've got 1 more of the Academy Doorables left, and I think you all saw the massive box of all the ones that we have left.
Which we're not opening today because we like to drag out the fun.
Yes. Yes, we do.
Yes.
All right, Mama. Say goodbye to everyone.
Bye.
Say bye to all your fans. Come back for this one.